I often say that 600 years before the birth of Christ, in this very land, we had a gentleman called Bharat who wrote a book called the Natya Shastra. And the Natya Shastra is a compendium not on the physical description of the arts. It's several thousand shlokas on what constitutes the aesthetic experience, rasa, which I quote as an example that how far in the past had we evolved in cultural terms, in terms of setting a certain benchmark of excellence in the area of culture. Churchill once said that to say that India is a country is to say the equator is a country, because it is just a collation of diversity. I'm proud of the plurality of India and its ability to assimilate more than one stream of thought. 4 of the world's great religions were born in India. But I believe strongly that there is an underlying unity beneath this diversity, which is not uncommon for an entire set of people who within a defined geographical space have evolved for 5,000 years. A country like India cannot become a derivative power. It cannot produce people who are polished photocopies of others. There must remain that originality to that soft power. And there is a great fear, I feel sometimes, that especially among the educated, there is a diminishing sense of authenticity and a much greater sense of the derivative. I am not minimizing the importance of a globalized world. In India today, with a civilizational background like the one we have, my worry in terms of our soft power is that soft power ultimately becomes strong power when it is reflecting a certain authenticity which is based not on jingoism or chauvinism, but on actual cultural rootedness. And there was a period between the 2nd and the 12th century AD, when without the slightest use of arms, there was a tremendous spread to what originated from India as Indian culture. Whether it was Angkor Wat, whether it was Borobudur, whether it was the Ramayana and its many versions across Asia, there was this spread of India's soft power because it was at that time, in my view, a far more culturally rooted civilization.